Yo, what's up guys? Noah here with CustomRCMods, and going into this flying day, I was really hoping I'd come home with an SD card full of really cool flying footage. But unfortunately, or fortunately for all you entertainment-seeking viewers, I came home with an SD card full of crashes. Yes, that's right. I'm gonna go ahead and take you through the crashes that really shaped this frustrating flying day. Starting off with this one right here, which was about 30 feet up in a tree. Took about 2 poles and a ladder and some finagling, and I guess my height too, to get it out, and I drained my battery all the way down to 0.0 volts, which if you're unfamiliar with LiPo batteries is just not good. So that was a frustrating way to start the day, but got another quad and we're still ripping. This one was a pretty basic crash. I mean, didn't really break anything, bent a prop, but thankfully that's one of the things that flying in a natural grassy areas affords you. Usually you don't break stuff, you just have to walk and maybe clean the grass out of the stack or whatever comes up, but that's a lot better than breaking things in my opinion. So yeah, I'm not really gonna narrate all of these crashes. I'll go ahead and leave you guys alone to watch some of this raw, brutal, gruesome FPV carnage. But yeah, we'll go ahead and do that, and then at the end I got a pretty nasty story to tell, so I'll come back for that. Alright guys, so this was the last flight of the evening, and not by choice unfortunately. After this crash here, I had to go ahead and start my next activity, which was searching for my lost GoPro Hero 8. That's right, my TPU mount unfortunately exploded on impact up here, and the quad rolled like 30 feet from the impact point, meaning that there is a wide search area for the GoPro. This took us 4 days to find, so it was really frustrating. I honestly ordered another Hero 8 and thought about just completely giving up, but thankfully we found it. We ended up even having to mow over all the grass and get out a metal detector to do so, none of which actually found the GoPro. We just found it with our eyes later in the day. But thank you to my cousins and their family for being very, very helpful and volunteering their time to help me search for my expensive GoPro that I lost. It was a mess, and it was definitely an ordeal I don't want to have to go through again, but you know, life happens sometimes in FPV. And yeah, that's it. It flew pretty far and was out of the initial search area and just laid like this for 4 days. So thankfully we found it, got it back. But yeah, that was the end of my night and a very frustrating flying day, but hey, that's life sometimes. So now we just gotta get back to it, gotta put some good memories on this SD card and not just some crashes. So let's go ahead and do that in future videos. That's gonna wrap it up for this one though. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.